What is going on, everybody? James at Blue Eye Tech coming to you here. Now, not that long ago, I ended up upgrading my TV speakers in my living room with this Echo Dot alongside a second one I have out there. Now, granted, these aren't the best speakers that Amazon offers, but that being said, these definitely are better than my television speakers that are built into the TV. So this has a 1.6-inch upward firing speaker, which is good, but I wanted to get something that had a little bit more power behind it, something that has a little more bass, and that's where this comes into play here. This is the Echo 4th generation. Now, as you'll see here in a little bit in this unboxing, there is definitely a good size difference between the Echo Dot and the Echo 4th generation. Now, this actually will have a 3-inch woofer up at the top, along with 2.8-inch tweeters at the bottom. Now, supposedly by having these two tweeters there, it should give you some kind of stereo separation. Honestly, I kind of feel because the tweeters are so close together in this kind of compact style, you're really not going to get too much stereo separation. You might get a slight bit if you're close to the speaker, but if you're a good distance away from it, it's going to probably sound like it's coming from that same spot. Now, this Echo 4th generation also comes with a built-in Zigbee hub, as well as a line-in and line-out 3.5mm headphone jack, which I think is pretty awesome because most Echo devices, at least the ones that I have used, only have a line-out, not a line-in. So if you actually want to use this as an external speaker without having to fuss with Bluetooth and just kind of plug in either your phone, laptop, or even your tablet or whatever, you can easily do that with just a 3.5mm jack. Now, the very first thing you'll see as soon as you open up the box, you'll see this illustration just letting you know that you'll need the Alexa app on your phone in order to be able to set up the device. Now, the other thing you'll see here, we'll take a look at, is the 30-watt power adapter. It obviously needs more power since it's a bigger device. So if you're someone like myself who is coming over from the Echo Dot to the Echo 4th generation, you will not be able to use the same thing because the Echo Dot requires 15 watts while the Echo 4th generation requires 30. Not to mention the plug for the Echo Dot is actually much smaller than you'll get for the Echo 4th generation. Now let's take a look at the size difference between the Echo Dot and the Echo itself. Now, as you can see, the Echo is significantly bigger than the Echo Dot, and that's due to the 3 speakers that you get inside versus the 1 speaker you get with the Echo Dot. So you'll definitely be getting better sound quality out of this speaker. Now, the button layout is the exact same. You'll get the mute mic button on the bottom. So if you don't want to actually wake up your device with the wake word and you just kind of want a little bit of privacy, you could use that. You also got the volume up and volume down buttons as well on the left and right. And on the top, you also have your voice assistant button. So if you want to be able to activate your voice assistant without having to actually say the wake word, you can just press that button and it will activate your device as well. Now, the other thing I really do like about the Echo 4th generation is you get these threads here at the bottom. So if you want to be able to mount your device either on a tripod or if you want to actually mount it on your wall. Now, with the Echo Dot here, there's no threads on the bottom, so you can still mount it. You could use a different kind of mount. It just doesn't look as clean, but you still can mount it with that. But if you want that clean look, I recommend going with the Echo 4th generation. So this has been my quick unboxing of the Echo 4th generation. I am actually going to be replacing the 2 Echo Dots I have in my living room with 2 of these Echo 4th generations so I could have a little bit of a better sound system for my television. So if you guys are debating between either one of these 2 speakers for your own home theater setup, I definitely recommend subscribing and hitting the bell so you guys get notified when that video goes up. And as always, it's been James Blue Eye Tech. I'll catch you guys next time. Have a good one.